Kiwi's Cooking Crew. My name is Kiwi. This is my YouTube channel. And of course, if you like this channel, please make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, tell all your friends so that we can spread the love of cooking all across the world, okay? So just make sure that you tune in every week for different recipes, and make sure that you comment below and make sure that you share. So just stay tuned for this next recipe and just let me know what you think, okay?
Welcome to another episode of Kiwi's Cooking Crew. Today what I have for you is a Japanese A5 Wagyu that I got from Crowd Cow. You can see there that there is great marbling on this steak, which means that it actually literally melts in your mouth. So with this steak, I want to cut it up in slices, because when I cut it up in slices, that actually, you can put the rest up if you want to, because less is more with this steak. But this way I can actually make sure that I'm cooking it evenly and that I don't overcook the steak. You definitely don't want to mess up this steak. It is a pretty expensive steak there. So just make sure that you just slice it up there. You can cook it whole if you want to, but this is just my preference. So get that cut up there. They do give you this salt here, or you can use your own sea salt. But I do like to use theirs, so I would just go ahead and add some salt to both sides. The only thing you need for this steak is just salt. You don't really need nothing else to enhance the flavors because the steak speaks for itself. So go ahead and just add a little salt to it, and then you can go ahead and get ready for it. And so right now I have my pan, I have sprayed it down. You don't need any oil or anything for this steak, just simply because of how the steak is made exactly. And so with that steak, I just put it in the pan. I add a little garlic for just extra flavor because I love garlic. And then you're gonna go ahead and add a rosemary in there. That's just your preference. You don't need it, whatever you want to do. And you cook it for 1 to 2 minutes, and then you'll just flip it over. And once you get it done for 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes on each side, you can take that steak out and you have a perfectly good Japanese A5 Wagyu steak. And here's the finished product. Let me know what you think. Also, make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, tell all of your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye.